Hi folks, Dr. Bob McCauley, Amla, the king of all fruit. Amla, or Indian gooseberry as it's referred to, it comes from India. You can get gooseberries all over the world, but the one from India is really the special one. It's really the most amazing fruit anywhere on the planet. There's really nothing else like it. Now what this is not really just amla, but it's an amla extract. We've extracted really the most incredible aspects of amla, but it's a completely unique type of extract, AML5HS. In Ayurvedic medicine, there's 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Now, usually when you take amla, it's going to appeal to one of those 3 doshas. This particular amla that we've extracted works with all 3 doshas. So it works with anybody, and there's never been an amla extract that's ever been produced before that would really be appropriate for all different 3 body types. And this is what makes Amla 5HS so incredibly special. No side effects whatsoever, the highest ORAC of any food.
Rowan berries screw up my graph again. Look how pitiful our poor goji berries are looking right about now. And finally, way off the charts in a class of its own, top dog for healthiest snack on the planet Earth, dried Indian gooseberries.
Highest amount of vitamin C, brings the body into balance or homeostasis extremely well, and it has incredible rejuvenation properties. You know, it's used by athletes. It's got incredibly, high performance athletes have used amla. Get some of the rejuvenation, elderly people. It has such incredible rejuvenation properties. This is part of the folklore of behind Indian gooseberry, amla, that's been around for centuries and centuries and centuries. So here we have this incredible extract, never seen anything like before. It's a hot water extract. There's no chemicals used. It comes direct from the manufacturer. It is an organic product. I take it every single day. I've been taking it for about a year now. I love this stuff. It's absolutely amazing. Amla 5HS, and again, a very, very unique type of amla, and the best fruit in the world, the king of all fruits, amla. Dr. Bob, I'll see you next time.